Hey, sweetheart! Hi! Welcome to
Mackenzie.
and Mom.
So as you all know, it's Life Insurance Awareness Month. We've talked about life insurance for young couples who are starting their families. We've talked about life insurance to pay for college.
Yep.
And today we're going to talk about life insurance for retirement. So Mom, is it true you can use life insurance for retirement on top of everything else that you can use it for?
It is so true. You can use life insurance, and who would think, yes, for retirement.
So Mom, where does life insurance come into play in your overall retirement plan?
So life insurance is a way to have another source of income.
Mm-hmm.
And have many of you, I'm sure a lot of you have heard of the three-legged stool that they used to call it. So those are sources of income that are your Social Security that you get, a pension, or a 401k, a 403b, or whatever savings that you've been doing throughout your whole lifetime that you've had jobs, that you've been working, right? What's happened today is not everyone has all three sources of income anymore, right? So times have changed, and not everyone has a pension. That's really the main thing that's kind of fallen off. Now, a lot of people still do, but a whole lot of people don't.
Right.
So you have to plan for that source of income that you no longer have anymore.
Thank you guys so much for watching episode 14. So Mom, I know the interest earnings are linked to the index in my cash value. What happens if the market tanks or something? Does my cash value go down as well?
And that's a great question, because that's always such a big concern for everybody, right? So no, your cash value does not go down. It will never go down because it's always locked in. So every year, whatever index earnings you earn, it's going to lock in.
Okay.
And it will only go up, and it will never go down. So they will take out the costs of the insurance, but other than that, everything's locked in, and it will only go up. So you get the strength of the market when it's good, and that's how you earn your interest earnings, and you never take a hit when it's bad.
So Mom, I know you can open up this type of policy for multiple things. We talked about for college, for a death benefit, for your family, whatever that may be. If I want to use this specifically for retirement, I probably wouldn't want to touch it in any way to pull that money out for
so that's a good point. So,
living benefits.
Correct. Yeah, and that's a really good point, because when people open these policies, it's very easy to touch and get your hands on that cash value, right? Because maybe you want to travel or take a trip. It is there for you. You could do that, but some people have multiple policies that they use for specific reasons. So if this is one that's designed for you for your retirement, then the goal would be to let it go and not to touch it, so that you have the less you pull out during your years, the more you're going to have in retirement for your paycheck. So your paycheck's going to be larger.
Right.
And the goal is for retirement, so you have the largest paycheck you can get and be able to get that paycheck the rest of your life.
Right.
And that's the plan. So really not touching it would be a wise thing to do. But if you have an emergency and you had to, then that's okay. It is your money.
Yeah. Well, I think that's the best part about this is you have it saved for retirement, but if there is an emergency, once again, life happens, you never know. You do have this money to pull.
That's right, and it's so flexible. Love to answer your questions. We appreciate all y'all that have come on board.
Mom, I just love this strategy that you can use a life insurance for retirement.
I know. It is so awesome. So who would think that you could use life insurance for living benefits and be able to have an income stream that's tax-free?
Yeah.
So most people's money is taxable. Taxes are going to go up.
Yeah.
Taxes take a chunk out of your income that you take in retirement.
Yeah.
But when you can have an income source coming in that's tax-free till you're 100 years old, hey, why not take advantage of that?
Right.
And then as you get older, and maybe 65 or 67, you go to a certain age and you're like, you know what? I'm ready to retire. I'm done. I'm turning on my Social Security check, and I'm going to roll over my 401k into an IRA, and I'm going to turn on income from that, and I'm going to turn on my income, my tax-free income from my life insurance policy as well. You have your income streams coming in, you're set, and now you can live the life that you want to live in retirement and go play and travel and do all the things that are most important to you.
That sounds like a good retirement right there.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching episode 14. We will be live on Friday at noon to answer any questions you have on this episode.
Yes, we will. Absolutely. And we'll look forward to seeing you guys. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the week, and hope to see you on Friday.
Yep. Bye.